It has been crazy busy the past few weeks, but the camper van still wants my attention. I can show you. Look at this. Here. This is our exhaust pipe bracket. It's just old rusty component in the 10 years old car. And wait, there is more. The flexible part of the exhaust pipe doesn't look healthy at all. There is not a problem yet, but I think after this winter there will be some holes and cracks in this flexible part joint to the fixed part. So over here I can already see some cracks and wearing out here. I know that it needs to be repaired. Most likely we will replace this with a new exhaust pipe assembly. Anyhow, this gave me inspiration to improve my skills in welding. Hey, how is it going? I'm a traveler from Finland who wanted to share adventures, technical challenges and fun of living in a self-made camper van. Welcome aboard! A decade ago, I completed some minor tasks with simple MIG welding. TIG and MMA were more difficult for me. This time I get an auto-darkening welding mask that fits my head and enroll to the Adult Educational Center course. Really feels like, what on earth I am doing here? It is the first day of the welding course. I have just taken off the brochures of my new jacket. It is the welding jacket because I don't want to catch fire. And this is the workshop I will be learning in. My teacher in this course is the best. Big shout out to them. Also, the fellow learners are lovely. For example, one of them is a true inventor and few others are forging their own Damascus steel daggers. Most importantly, everybody seems to have deep respect for safety in blacksmithing. In addition, I have linked an informative yet fun welding safety video in the description. For now, please enjoy my first attempts with different welding beads and machine settings. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked what you saw, please subscribe, like and share. See you next time.